are at another Imagination Renovations where we completely gutted this house down to studs. Let me take you through. Let's talk about this fireplace for a minute. My guys custom built this mantle and I hand selected the tile work that just flows perfectly into the original hardwood flooring that we custom stained. I love this kitchen. When I saw the backsplash, I knew it would be the perfect fit, and I absolutely love what my guys did with the shelves. What was so great about this house is we already had the buyer, so we allowed her to pick the hardware for the cabinets as well. One great way to add value to any renovation is to look in any nook and cranny to see if you can add square footage. That's exactly what we did with the sunroom. We added 92 extra square feet of value. In addition, we also put in the knotty pine ceiling, and this buyer absolutely loves this room. So up here in this space was just an attic, and we completely transformed it into a luxury spa-like master bedroom with a walk-in closet and its own bathroom with custom tile work. And check out this little surprise. My guys made a custom vanity room for this homeowner. This was another successful Imagination renovation. We took this home, bought it for $120,000 and sold it for $250,000. The new homeowner cannot wait to get her keys today. We're very excited for her. Please join us for another episode of Imagination Renovations on our YouTube channel.